Hi kids, today I am going to teach you how to play the first part of the song for Elise on the guitar. So you have to know that the first part of this song is it finishes right here before the page ends and then goes the second part which is the second page. Okay, remember right there. So pause the video and find this part and section it. Remember that that was the first part of the assignment. Okay, section this. All right, moving on. Let me explain what these markings are. This part in here tells you which fingers of your right hand you are going to use to strum the strings, okay, to pluck the strings. M means middle finger. I means index finger. And P means thumb. The numbers that you see on the lines in the tab tells you which string you are going to play and which fret of that string you are going to be playing. Therefore, this is the first string, this is the second string, this is the third string, this is the fourth string, fifth, and sixth. In your guitar, the first string is on the bottom, the second string, third string, fourth, fifth, and sixth. If you're left-handed, then it's the opposite. On top is going to be the first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. I am not a left-handed guitarist. I am a normal guitarist. So that's the way I'm going to be playing. The first string is going to be down all the time. So as you can see, the first string is the one that you are going to be playing first, and you are going to be using the middle finger. Middle, and then you put your finger here on the fourth string, on the fourth fret of the second string. And then on the second string, you're gonna play third fret, first fret. Notice how I'm moving my fingers on the right hand. Look, one, middle, index, middle, index, middle, index. And then it tells you to play middle and thumb. You're going to put your hand in a chord shape, which is the A minor chord shape. Do this in that way. You just go. Okay, so it's easier that way. You don't have to think about what your left hand is going to be doing, just what your right hand does. Middle thumb, index, middle. And then what you're going to do, leave the shape like this and just put your pinky in the third string, in the third fret of the fifth string. And then you pluck it with your thumb. Then, sorry, index, middle, take away the, the shape and move it, the same shape, move it one string down. Look. You put it in the fifth, fourth, and third. It would have to be like this. Sorry. And then the last measure, move back the shape to A minor. Like this. Then again, moving into measure number 5, middle, index, middle, index, third fret, middle, first fret, and then go back again to the shape of A minor. Put your your pinky finger will be. Now move the shape down. And then move your index finger to the first position on the second string. And you play with N, I, and then like that. Okay? So I'm going to play all the first part of the song from here until what I just played, which is okay. Then you repeat exactly the same thing. Look, start with 2, and then okay, that's it.